Hi everyone, I'm Tess, and today I'm making barbecue chicken in the slow cooker. The chicken is marinated in lots of spices and then smothered in a delicious homemade barbecue sauce that is the bomb. You don't want to miss this one. For the chicken marinade, I'm using a general chicken seasoning like Lowry's, or you can use adobo or your favorite brand. I'm adding in garlic and onion powder, paprika, and a little cayenne pepper for some heat, and this is optional. Giving the spices a toss to combine, and then adding in some extra virgin olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, and finally a squeeze of Dijon mustard, giving that a good mix. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this slow cooker barbecue chicken dinner below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe, and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. I have a family pack of bone-in chicken thighs that I cleaned and trimmed. I'm coating each piece thoroughly with the marinade. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, and overnight is even better. This homemade barbecue sauce is so good. My family just loves it. It does have a few ingredients, but you can make it and it stores well in the refrigerator and it cans well. In a saucepan, I'm adding in ketchup, tomato paste, mustard, apple cider vinegar, and I've also used red wine vinegar, which is really good, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, molasses, which gives it a deep, rich flavor, brown sugar, honey, a little water, garlic and onion powder, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and I almost forgot the chili powder. Giving that a good stir and simmering on low for 1 hour. Just keep an eye on it and stir occasionally. The barbecue sauce will reduce some and will marry and concentrate those wonderful flavors. Give it a taste test along the way for any additional seasonings that you may want. I didn't add any salt or pepper because my chicken seasoning had plenty. You can even add more tang with vinegar or just the sweetness or heat to your liking. My chicken is done marinating. I'm simply placing all the chicken pieces into my crock pot, covering and cooking on high for 3 to 4 hours or on the low setting for 6 to 8 hours. You don't need any liquid as the chicken will produce its own juices. It's been 3 hours and the chicken is done. Just keep an eye on the chicken doneness. I find that some slow cookers run a little hot, and letting the chicken go for 4 hours on high or 8 hours on low will overcook the chicken. You can also cook the chicken in an Instant Pot if you have one. I'm removing the chicken, draining off the liquid, and placing the chicken back into the crock pot. I'm pouring my delicious homemade barbecue sauce over each piece, covering and cooking for another 15 to 20 minutes. And it's done. We've been smelling this all afternoon and we can't wait to eat. Serving tonight with some Hasselback potatoes and pickled eggs. The chicken is so juicy and tender and packed full of flavor. The homemade barbecue sauce is the bomb. You will thank me later. Just the right balance of sweetness and tang. I hope you give this slow cooker barbecue chicken and homemade barbecue sauce a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!